Okay, so now the next step is to put this cover for the PVC bulb, and everything is being cleaned up, as you can see right there. Some stuff is just over the years hard to remove, but it's nice and clean. I put the RTV, and then we just put this in order. Right now it's just a matter of putting all these pieces where they go, and then I'll go ahead and tie them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Most people who do this work, they bypass this. They never pay attention to this little tiny section. PVC bulb is very hard to remove because it's concealed under. It goes right here. It goes right here. PVC bulb can get clogged up very easy, and to remove it, it's a nightmare because you have a lot of components right here, a lot of components, and so it's not easy. So now I'll just go ahead and go with the numbers in sequence. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then I'll go back again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then I'll go back and torque it by hand, and then put this thing back here. Oh, but I need a little bit of this thread locker. But this is the next step. Capiche? So you need to clean that one, otherwise it's a freaking nightmare to remove that PVC bulb, which is known to get clogged up.